Hi guys! Happy Sunday! So, kwentuhan tayo for today. This is my breakfast. Tapos, walang ulam guys. Fried rice lang kasi okay na pag fried rice. Hindi naman talaga kailangan ng ulam pag fried rice ako. Sarap naman eh. So, ayan guys. Okay lang. Ah, yung egg kasi namin basta. Our egg is very wet, so I did not like it. So, kumain na lang ako ng fried rice. Buti naman guys, fried rice. Kasi hindi ko na kailangan ng ulam. So, po yung breakfast niyo today? And you also like fried rice guys? Kasi mahal ko talaga ang fried rice kasi hindi ko na kailangan ng ulam. Yeah, I love fried rice. So, I love it kasi
Hindi makain ba? Hindi
talaga ang fried rice. I don't usually fried rice. I love fried rice.
Ito yung magulang.
Yes, of
Okay ka na
course.
dyan? Okay ka na dyan sa rice?
Okay na, mag-exercise na ako. Hindi, nanonood yan. Yes, of course. Rice naman yun eh. Rice is... Okay na yung fried rice. I love fried rice. Mahal ko fried rice. Yes. I'm not sad about it. I am grateful because there is fried rice.
Wala namang halo, wala kang egg, wala nang...
Ay, meron na. Bawang. Oh. Okay lang. So, okay guys, that's all for today. That's all for our kwentuhan. Have a nice day. Bye guys!